Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add music to your YouTube videos. Super simple, super easy, and super quick. So the first way to add music to your YouTube video would be through YouTube Studio. So what you want to do is you want to head over to your content section on your YouTube Studio, and then once you are on this page, you can then go ahead and click on the video that you want to add music to. So for example, I will just use this one right here at the top. Once I click on this, I can then come over to the left hand side bar here, click on editor, and then you'll be brought to this page. So what you can see under the video editor section right here is you can see a couple of options, and one of those will be audio. So what you can do now is click on the plus icon, and then you can add a audio track from YouTube's audio library. So all of these tracks here will be royalty free and free to use and monetize on your YouTube channel. So what you can do then is you can click on add, and then once you have done, you can click on save, and it will take a couple of minutes or a couple of hours for YouTube to process this, but once you do that, that will mean that that track will then be added. Other ways you can do this is you can do this by heading over to a video editing software such as, iMovie. So for example, if I wanted to add some music on iMovie, all you simply need to do is go ahead and drag this in, and then as you can see, that will be the audio track added right there. Alternatively, what you can do is you can do this through a web-based, editing software such as Veed.io. Veed.io looks like this, and this is a video that I've obviously done myself for my YouTube tutorial channel. And if I wanted to add some audio to this, again, what you need to do is just simply drag and drop, and then go ahead and upload your file. As you can see now, the audio file is right here. And if you do this, make sure to go ahead and trim this down, because if you don't trim it down, what it will do is once the video has played out and the footage has ended, the music will still be playing underneath this, and you don't want that on your YouTube. So yeah, these are the three easiest ways you can go ahead and add tracks to your YouTube video, guys. It's a really simple process, really easy. So that's just about it. If this video did help you out, guys, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.